I think
Well, 1 in 4 gets affected by it, and they'd say everybody is affected because they know of someone who has been affected by it. So it does kind of hit a nerve with most people. I think 1 in 4, one in every family struggles with it.
and it's not as if you can just say, "Oh, pull your socks up,"
No.
It's not that simple, is it? But you can't see it, as it were. You know it's.
Well, that's why it's the hardest of the illnesses, because it's not like a broken leg or a ligament problem or dislocated shoulder. You can visibly see someone struggling. It's hidden, and that's why it's so dangerous, because the people that struggle do hide it.
So why? I mean, you didn't volunteer it. You were just asked because it was a topical issue to do something on it, yeah.
Well, I think because of the Michael Yardy issue with the World Cup when he came out last year, with the fact that I'd been playing around Trez, I kind of understood it because of the Trez issue. I've always realised that it's not anything other than a disease. It's just exactly like, unfortunately, cancer.
Yeah.
No one wants that. No one wants depression. It just comes upon you.
But it's also interesting, isn't it? Because remember when Trez came home, there was a sense in which no one could really talk about it. So it was a mystery around it, and it was packaged up as some kind of stress issue or maybe some issue with the family. So no one could actually come out and say it, could they?
No, well, I think that's why Trez has been I'd say one of the catalysts in kind of dealing with it for the whole of the country, because he's been a professional sportsman playing for England, a high-profile name. He's come out and talked about it, and he did on the show. And I think, look, there's still the old school of personnel who just say, pull your socks up, get over it. But and I can understand their reaction, because they don't understand it at all.
Yeah.
But I think the show, I hope, just raised the awareness for people who didn't understand a great deal about it, that it is an illness. It's exactly like having a cancer. It's something that no one wishes on anybody, and it's a difficult illness to overcome. But there are ways of overcoming it, which I hope the show, again, gave people who have struggled or are struggling the chance to come through the other side, as Marcus Trescothick has done.